Namaskar, India Meteorological Department welcomes you in daily weather briefing. So, as the wet spell is continuing over the country, so it is likely to continue during next 1 week also. And if we look into the weather observed during past 24 hours ending at 8:30 hours IST of today, then we can see over here that over HP and Uttarakhand and over East Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Marathwada, Gangetic West Bengal and Odisha, isolated hailstorm activity has been observed. Then if we come over to the scenario of heavy rainfall, then isolated heavy rainfall has been observed at one or two stations of GWB, that is Gangetic West Bengal, and then over southern parts of Marathwada, and over Tamil Nadu, over Kerala and over north interior Karnataka. Now if we come over to the maximum temperatures observed, which are recorded at 17:30 hours IST of the previous day, then we can see that due to this continuous rainfall spell over the country, the temperatures are not able to cross 40 degrees centigrade over the entire country, and they are below normal by 4 to 6 degrees centigrade over the central parts of the country, including the parts of northern peninsula, and they are 2 to 4 degree below normal over plains of northwest India, and they are above normal only over the northeast Indian states, and also along the isolated places of the east coast, and over the southern peninsula, over Tamil Nadu and south interior Karnataka, the temperatures are between 0 to -2 degrees centigrade below normal. If we look into today's synoptic system situation, then western disturbance is lying over North Pakistan and neighborhood, extending as a cyclonic circulation up to 400 SPA, that is 7.6 km above mean sea level, and another western disturbance is lying as a cyclonic circulation between 3.1 and 5.8 km above mean sea level over South Pakistan and neighborhood, and a trough is running from Maldives area to Madhya Maharashtra in lower tropospheric levels. So these the western disturbances, as we saw, there are two western disturbances as a cyclonic circulation, and there is another western disturbance approaching to affect the northwest India from the night of 1st May. So under the influence of these scenario and the continuous persistence of the wind discontinuity over the peninsular India, the weather activity over the country scattered to fairly widespread rain is likely to continue during next 5 days. Although over East Madhya Pradesh, over Vidarbha and our Telangana and North Interior Karnataka, isolated hailstorm activity is likely to continue even today, and also over Rajasthan, over East and West Rajasthan, isolated hailstorm activity can be observed today. And as far as heavy rainfall is concerned, so over due to this persistence of the wind discontinuity, the heavy rainfall activity over Tamil Nadu and Kerala is likely to continue during next 5 days. Then on day 2, again there is a probability of isolated hailstorm activity over Vidarbha and over Telangana. And over Telangana there is also likelihood of isolated heavy rainfall on 29th of April. On 30th of April, again there is a probability of isolated heavy rainfall over Vidarbha, over Telangana, and over Odisha, and also isolated hailstorm activity is likely over Vidarbha, over Odisha, and over Jharkhand and Gangetic West Bengal. Isolated heavy rainfall is likely over Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim as well. From 1st of May, over if we talk about Northwest India, so over Northwest India, this wet spell is likely to intensify and fairly widespread to widespread rainfall along with isolated heavy rainfall over Himachal Pradesh on 1st of May, 1st and 2nd May, and over Jammu and Kashmir also on 1st and 2nd May, isolated heavy rainfall is likely. And also on these 2 days, 1st and 2nd of May, there is likelihood of isolated hailstorm activity over this entire belt of Punjab, Haryana, and UP. And as far as Northeast India is concerned, so isolated heavy rainfall is likely to continue during next 5 days over Northeast India. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we'll again meet with Delhi weather briefing for weather warning during next 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.